Hello everyone, I am Pauline Sangeeta from Montfort School, Dichipudu. Now let us derive the formula of surface area and volume of a cuboid and a cube. Cuboid is a solid bounded by 6 rectangular faces. This is length, breadth and height. We know that area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Also we know that its opposite sides are equal. So AB, EF. If the length of AB is L and EF also L. FA is H and EB also H. And AD is B, GF also B. With this previous knowledge, let us now find the total surface area of cuboid. The total surface area of cuboid equals the sum of the areas of its 6 rectangular faces. Now let us find the area of face A, B, C, D. It's nothing but L into B, length into breadth. Area of this face is equal to the area of its opposite face, that also B into L. So sum of these two faces is, that is sum of areas of these two faces is equal to 2 into LB plus, now let us find the area of this side ADFG. So now area of this face is B into H. Similarly, this is equal to the area of its opposite side B into H. So sum of areas of these two faces is equal to twice of BH plus last one, area of this face H into L. Area of opposite of its side also H into L. So sum of areas of these two faces is twice of HL. So from these three terms, 2 is common. Let us take the 2 out. Remaining LB plus BH plus HL square unit. So 2 into LB plus BH plus HL square unit is the formula to find the total surface area. Now let us find the curved surface area of cuboid. If out of the 6 faces of cuboid, we only find the sum of the areas of 4 faces, leaving the bottom and the top faces. This sum is called the lateral surface area of the cuboid. Now, area of the face ABEF is L into B. Area of this face is equal to the area of its opposite face. So, that also H into L. Sum of areas of these two faces is equal to twice of HL plus, now let us find the area of this one ADFG, that is B into H. Similarly, this is equal to this B into H. Now sum of areas of these two faces are 2 into BH. From these two terms, 2 and H are common. So let us take the 2H out. Remaining is L plus B square unit. So 2H into L plus B square unit is the formula to find curved surface area. Now let us discuss about volume of cuboid. Volume of the object is the measure of the space it occupies. To find the volume, let us multiply the base area and the height. Now, area of the base here L into B. Height is H. So, product of these is L into B into H cubic unit. Now, let us find for cube. Since all the 6 faces of cube are square of the same size, we have length, breadth, heights are same. Let it be A. Then we find the total surface area of cube. As we discussed earlier, total surface area of cube equals the sum of the areas of its 6 square faces. We know that area of one square is A square. Then for 6 faces is 6A square unit. So total surface area of a cube is 6A square unit. Now let us find the formula for curved surface area of cube. Curved surface area of a cube, to find that's nothing but the sum of the areas of 4 faces. So that is 4A square unit. Now let us discuss about volume of cube. As we discussed earlier, to find the volume, we should find the product of the base area into height. Now base also here square. Area of a square is A square and the height is side of a square, that is A. So A squared into A, that is equal to A cubic unit. So volume of cube is A cubic unit. Thank you.